Guys, how are you? I hope you all are well and stay safe, and welcome back to my channel. So let's start the video. The jobs and the vacancies that we have for today, uh, which is for the DTP operator, and the post is only one. Requirement: female candidate, Marathi typing compulsory and English typing also compulsory. Salary will be 10,000 plus. It can be more than 10,000 rupees or 10,000 rupees. Interview date 25/6/2021 between 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Contact number of Dooth Construction. Mobile number is there, 9767102636. You can contact on this number, and if you have any query you can ask on the mobile phone, because 25/6/2021 it means you don't have too much time to prepare yourself. Okay, so be ready for that. And they also need the good communication skill. So as I told you in my previous video that the communication plays a vital role in anywhere. If you are not good at, and if you are lacking in this field, or like in this area, you have to start working on it on early basis. Okay, so let's move on. Okay, so the next we have the vacancy for the day. The requirement: a reputed real estate company required. The first is account assistant and the second is back office assistant. So what is the requirement for the account assistant? The candidate should come from BCom, accounting knowledge, married female, and a good again the good communication skill. The candidate must be good in English. Their communication skill up to the mark. Okay, the second is back office assistance, and the qualification for that, any graduate can apply for that. And the computer skill must, male or female, married, can go for the interview. And again the good communication skill, because English and the good communication skill plays a vital role in any area. Okay, and the mobile number is there, 9075101571. So you can contact to them and ask the queries. If you have any queries like any graduate and the BCom, or if the candidate from BSc who also wants to apply for this job, so does they do they apply for it or not? So you can ask on the we have a mobile number over here, as you can see on the screen, so you can contact them. Okay, so let's move on. Okay, so the third one that we have for today is the business development executive. Experience: fresher, or experience salary is 15,000 to 25,000. Okay, and non-voice process. Education: graduate with computer knowledge. Salary: speed 30 or 40 words per minute, and the salary will be 10,000 to 15,000 rupees. Because you're if you know the computer knowledge, you should be graduate, and you should know the computer knowledge. The salary will be 10,000 to 15,000 rupees, and your speed of the typing should be 30 words or 40 words per minute. And the date of interview is 24, 25, 26 June. So it means you have 3 days or 2 days for preparing yourself. Okay, and the timing of interview is 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. The location is there, One Step Infotech. Okay, services: Mangalwari Complex, B Wing, second floor, block number 10, Sadar Nagpur. The phone number that we have, 9766644539. Okay, let's move on. Okay, so the next we have it is for the car washer. It means this job is in garage. So whoever is needed, whoever is a needy people, so please share this information to them, share this video to them. I in my previous video I also said that you have to, if you don't require this video, you have to share with the needy people who really need. like these kind of jobs, like for car washing. Okay, if there are lots of people out there who just need any job because they have not come from very educated family, but they really wants to work, so they really want to work. So you have to just share this video to all of them. Okay, the post is like a car washer and the age is 18 to 35, and from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. Okay, the salary is 11,000 plus petrol plus commission would be there. The petrol, they will give you the for the petrol, okay, and your salary will be apart from all these two. Okay, and the contact number is you can contact them from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. Meshram Sahib behind Gillurkar, okay, hospital, R116 Resham Bagh, Umred Road, Nagpur. So ultimately it is in Resham Bagh, if you know. Okay, the mobile number is 788-735-8252. Let's move on for another one, that is for the operation manager and marketing manager and delivery boy. So it's a job of the operation manager, the marketing manager and the delivery boy, and the organization is Amrutullah Tea Franchise in Nagpur. As nowadays we are seeing that Amrutullah Chai, okay, Amrutullah Tea Franchise. So they require the delivery boy, operation manager and the marketing manager. So any graduate, and for the delivery boy they have not given, they have not mentioned that the criteria to apply for the post. Okay, but anyone can apply over there, and the salary as per the post. Location Indora Chowk, Nagpur. Mobile number 7414907129. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please share the video to the needy people and have a great day.